Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Uno Ear Device and no see one and only Atafa the Press. Well, me have a few topics for cover, in the morning, yeah. But first, me go start it off with Juliet Oldness, because Uno all see and know, said Juliet Oldness come out and telling lies. My wisdom warriors, she did. And I got shown a piece of the lie where she tell. Taking this.
As members of this House, you're aware or should be aware that on Saturday, June 1st, 2024, at approximately 10:01 p.m., a Molotov cocktail was thrown at the entrance that is outside to the front door of Gordon House.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what she just said? She said it was thrown at the entrance outside Garden House. Wanna hear what? Madam Speaker sit down in a parliament and telling the Jamaican people one bag of lie? My wisdom warriors, when we watch the video, when we see the video, because a lot of us see the video about the place, when we see the video, the person, that individual, actually went inside. If you look good, it wasn't thrown at the entrance. The person went inside, so the door was open. The door was open. So I don't understand why is she saying they throw it at the entrance outside Garden House. That is a lie, because we see the video clip, madam. Madam Speaker, we see the video clip. So who you try fool? Who you try fool? My wisdom warriors, take in more.
By an unidentified perpetrator. Contrary to reports circulating across social media and elsewhere, the building was not breached and damage to the structure was minimal due to the quick response of the police officers on duty here 24 hours per day, 7 days per week.
My wisdom warriors, want to hear what she say again? I want to listen good to her, So she has said they have security tight 24 hours, 7 days a week. So if that is the case, how comes the door was left open? You understand? We need more information than this. We need to know more, because I do not understand. I really don't understand your Juliet Oldness, and you're making a fool out of yourself.
I have received assurances that the Jamaica Constabulary Force is making every effort to apprehend the perpetrator or perpetrators involved in the shameful attack on the home of our legislature. Furthermore, additional security measures will be implemented here at Parliament, including the deployment of additional personnel and the strengthening of the electronic architecture of the building.
My wisdom warriors, then if security is so tight and you have security 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, why you want to strengthen? The question I want to ask you, Juliet Oldness, if this was not a security breach, Juliet Oldness, yeah? How did the man get into the building? If this is not a security breach, I want to know, how did the individual get into the building? My wisdom warriors, you follow? Remember, so the individual, run into the entrance, into the building, Remember, that means, say, the door was left open. Or if the door not left open, he opened the door himself. May I wonder if you not follow me? But then again, if we go back to what Juliet said before, Juliet only said the gentleman threw something at the entrance. She didn't say he enter, She didn't say he enter. Me tell you how they lie and wicked, you know. This will show you how the labor right there lie, you know, my wisdom warriors. So, no, me understand why the labor rights them dep on social media spreading lies, because they get it from them masters and mistress. They get it from them master and them mistress.
Further assessment will be made by the National Intelligence Bureau.
My wisdom warriors, when I tell you guys all the time, say labor right them lie, a serious thing. This is our Madam Speaker, House of Representative, that is representing us, the Jamaican people. Yeah? Sitting down in a parliament and telling lies. Yes? Because, as I said before, she said something was thrown. Me can't call her name, whatever she said. Yeah? Buckle whatever. Yeah? Said that. It was thrown. Yeah? She said it was thrown at the entrance. At the entrance. And when we watched the video, the man went in the building. He went through the door. You can totally see. You understand? So I do not understand where she gathered all this information. She did not watch the CCTV. Then favorite radio station was spreading it all over. You tell Mr. Juliet never look at it? My wisdom warriors. The next question I want to ask Juliet Holness. Yeah? Was the door left open for him to enter the building? Because the door was left open, you know, my wisdom warriors. The door was left open. Who leave the door open? Was it one of the police officer that is on duty? Because according to you, madam, according to you, Juliet Holness, you said you have police is on site 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. That's what you said. So if that is the case, how comes the man get inside? Because the man get inside, he went through the door. So when you're saying at the entrance, do you know what the entrance mean? The entrance mean, because you said at the entrance outside Garden House. So basically you say right in front of the door. That is what you're saying. But we can say the man go through a door. Yeah? So you mustn't come out and tell these lies, Juliet Holness, because there is a CCTV out and we all see what happened. We all see what happened. I understand what you're saying about, yes, the place never burned, whole heap, it was minor, we get that. Yeah, but the man did enter. He went inside. He go through the door. Because if at the entrance, he una gallop so. So I don't know who una try fool. My wisdom warriors. You see, the labor right then just can't stop lie. I do not know why them are lie. I don't know. Them is just a born liar, my wisdom warriors. A born liar. And every liar is a thief. And you see this just revealed that it was planned. You understand? It revealed that it is planned, my wisdom warrior, to me. Because based on everything what she has said, it seems like it was planned. And this raised more question, my wisdom warrior. More question. This is why I ask, if the security, if this was not a breach of the security, how did the man get into the building? Because we said the man get into the building. And she denied it, even though the public seen the video. Juliet Holness come out and denied it. She's telling lies. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? This is why them send out Young Jamaica. Send out Young Jamaica. Young Jamaica, yes, then send out Young Jamaica to attack Nikisha. Now, wanna see, wanna put everything together. Remember, I was talking about Young Jamaica the other day. This is why Young Jamaica came out and said, and said there was security there. And said Nikisha Burchell, the PNP, is spreading lies, even though we see it with our own eye. You understand? This government is not a good government. We have to get rid of them. They lie. They really do lie. I don't know why them a lie. I don't understand. You don't read Bible, Juliet. You don't read Bible, you're a woman. You don't read Bible. I that more want to ask you. You don't read Bible. And what it say? Well, let me tell you what the Bible say. In Proverbs 12, verse 22, it said, "A lying lips are an abomination to the Lord, but those who deal truthfully are his delight. A prudent man conceals knowledge, but the heart of fools proclaims foolishness." You hear that, Juliet Wellness? A lying lips are an abomination to the Lord, but those who deal truthfully are his delight. A prudent man conceals knowledge, but the heart of fools proclaims foolishness. And that is what you guys are doing. Your heart is proclaiming foolishness because of your lying lips. Because of your lying lips, Juliet Honest. Una need to stop it. Una go down. Una need to stop it. You need to stop it. Even though we all see the video, this woman came out and telling lies. I don't know what she are protect. I do not know. The only thing me can say, my wisdom warriors, they don't want the tourists. Remember say most. Remember say Jamaica gain money from tourism. A tourism have them back right now, So me just believe say at the tourism that the whole of them are protect. Because them are near my food, Jamaica now receive nothing after tourism, Anybody a name food at them, At them were in power near me food. Because Jamaica only get 10% of tourism. 10%. And when you get in all, it's 30%. But at 10% Jamaica gets. So where the next 20% go? Who it go to? Who does it go to? So for sure to say are the investors that live abroad, stakeholders that live abroad, earning, making money from Jamaica and taking it back home to build their country. I want to look into things. A lot of people don't know this. When they hear about investors and stakeholders, they might think about, I don't know what they might think if they might think about Jamaica. Darling, ladies and gentlemen, no, it's investors from abroad. Why wouldn't you believe so much investors always come and invest in Jamaica? And a Jamaica grow. Jamaica economy is not growing. Andrew Honest is lying. It's not growing nothing. Because Jamaica not earn nothing. Because Andrew Honest is not allowing Jamaica to earn. Then take everything for themselves. And Jamaican people suffer. Because you see from the economic grow. You see from the economy grow, my wisdom warriors. The people them grow too. You hear me? The people them grow too. You can't have a country that their economy is growing and yet the people are suffering. No sanking or thing, so me never see that yet. Me never see that yet. And not even own people that make can help. No, here we other day you hear me come out and talk about it. About the hotel owner, what they call the hotelers or whatever. The hotel owners. Hotel owners are going to get how much compensation, millions of compensation of taxpayers' money will be going to hotel owners while small business stifle and suffer. Small business. You understand? One think, when the people them in the community not have no water, enough for them have to borrow money to buy water. Enough for them have to use them last money to buy water. On no feel so the Jamaican people them need compensation too. That's why I was asking the question the other day. Yeah? I was asking it because I was the first one to speak about that. If you can remember good. You understand? That time Ian Hales not half ready to come out yet. I was talking about it as it touchy paper me come out with it because I wasn't happy about it. I was saying the people suffered. Remember, these hotel owners, them company is insured. If you remember, it come like you don't know that. Their company insure have to. While Jamaican small business, insure. You understand me? So I want to deal with Jamaican people them better because after all, it is taxpayers' money. And I do not agree with no hotel owners where I make millions of dollars off of Jamaican people. Yeah? Forget no compensation. I disagree with it totally. Una say una want pipeline. Wanna wait pan. Use that the money there and start putting pipeline and start run pipe so the Jamaican people in Hanover, Westmoreland can get water. They don't have to wait until rain fall to get little water for drink. Come on. And then una say una love Jamaican people. Una do not love Jamaican people. You guys come out on a lie. Una come out on a lie. My wisdom warriors other day. I think it was about 2 days ago, I believe, or 3 days ago. Mark Golding, the U.S. ambassador, the United States of America ambassador came to visit and see Mark Golding, you know, Donna Motley and so on. And I didn't see one media houses broadcast it. I didn't see that. You know, Mark Golding is really doing well. And everybody is watching. Even when they see them throw these racist tactics against Mark Golding, everybody around the world is looking into this thing. And it is not right what they're doing. And they know that Mark Golding is doing really well. And Mark Golding is following the laws, you understand, of the lands. Mark Golding do not need to renounce or denounce his passport because he is not breaking any law. He is not breaking any law whatsoever. The person that is breaking the law, allegedly, let me just use allegedly. The person that is breaking the law, allegedly, is people like Dr. Michelle Charles. Because her name, she came out, you know, and lied to the Jamaican people. Write up a post on her page and lie to the Jamaican people. I tell you about, oh, yeah, give up your nationality for serve Jamaica, which you never, darling, because I look at the list and your name wasn't on it, darling. Your name wasn't on it. Babsy Grange name not upon it either. Hey, Babsy Grange, your name not upon it either, darling. But Dr. Michelle Charles, her brother, Pernell Charles, or whatever I want name, Pernell Jr., whatever, theme name is on it, my wisdom warrior. And the sister name not on it. You understand? The girl, they're from Eastern, wherever she come from. Yeah, her name is not on it. You get me? So 30% of dual citizenship workers are in Jamaica Labour Party, and yet Andrew Holness have the audacity to calling out Mark Golding. But we know why Andrew Holness is calling out Mark Golding. We know that he feels threatened because Mark Golding are leading at the poll and everybody love Mark Golding. So he no know what to do with himself. So he come up with all kind of bangarang for everybody eat Marky G. Yeah, and he come up with that one because he knew what happened with slave and stuff like that. And because Mark Golding white. You understand? Because he white. So him use a racial tactics. A lot of people say if you don't have wisdom, you know what I say. Him use that against the people and know so the people them are going to cuss Marky G. Yeah, that's what they do. You understand? It is a PR stunt. And that him do. But the real problem Andrew Holness is having is Mark Golding. He feels threatened. A real thing me I tell you, my wisdom warriors. Real thing me I tell you. You know, I've nothing to do with nothing else. He knows he might go lose. He know he might go lose, my wisdom warrior. He knows a Marky G of the crowd. So he might try to bring up Marky G. You understand? Because remember, not because you not like something Andrew Holness, Marky G I go follow you. Not because you not like Marky G having British book, Marky G I go follow you and denounce it. You understand? Remember, it is in the Constitution. Mark Golding is part of the Commonwealth. So it is okay for him to have his British book. It is okay. It said it in the Constitution. But people like your cabinet them, when they denounce and working illegally, them need to stop. I wouldn't like Mark Golding to look into that, you know. Mark Golding, I wouldn't like if you take them go court, you know. Yes, man. Because them two out order. Because I know so you like to deal with the laws, you know. Yeah. Them two out order rank. Because Andrew Holness knows say 30% in cabinet have dual citizenship. And yes, he's attacking Mark Golding. You understand what I try to show you? But the problem is that because he knows that Mark Golding is going to be prime minister, he is using that. It's just a distraction. He might use a tactics there. You understand? Because he know why Mark Golding win. My wisdom warriors. But wanna tell me what you think about all this. Even with Juliet Holness telling lies, wanna hear what she say. Remember, a whole heap of picnic fight at school. A whole heap of killing a guana school. A whole heap of war a guana school. I mean, hear uno move swiftly like that. Me no see uno come put in electronic this and electronic that. Me no hear that all now. You understand? But you, Juliet Holness, we claim say you have 24-hour service, 7 days a week. Yeah? Why do you need electronic service? I don't understand why you need extra security. Why? You need extra security if you not have 24 hours a day. I just not understand it. While the schools are suffering. Because yet, at that day when the whole heap of bag sitting did go on in the school, them the whole of you run up and down like you busy. I know you no do shit. I know. But look how quick. You turn. Look how quick Juliet Owens, you turn and I make sure say Garden House is protected. I would like you, the same effort that you're doing for Garden House, I would like you to do the same thing for the schools. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this, tell me how you feel about it, and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, feel free to bless up my PayPal because I know a lot of people, the country where they're at, they cannot send me super chat. Some people reach out to me and they was telling me that, you know, them can't send super chat because the country that they're in, it is not allowing. So, and a lot of people was asking for the PayPal. So feel free to bless up my PayPal. Also, guys, follow me on TikTok, follow me on IG. The link for the PayPal, my TikTok and IG will be in the comment section. Thanks for everyone that has been supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And thanks to everybody that has been sending me super chat and sending me messages through my email and sending me money on my PayPal. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.